The additional gravel worked perfect. There's enough room for the slide out and to access the storage compartments. So we've been experiencing some problems with the steep gravel here on the sides of the RV pad in accessing the storage compartments in our RV without sliding down the hill. We're getting another load of gravel. This time is 5/8 inch basalt. That should help fill in the gaps between the larger 1 3/4 inch. We just want to slope it down gently towards this hedge so we don't fall all the time. Once we get this sloped, there should be no need in putting in a retaining wall. At least that's the theory. I made some adjustments to the RV pad and the driveway in advance of a final load of basalt. I hope to be able to spread this over the entire pad and driveway to make it consistent in the size of the gravel. Most of the load of gravel will be moved on this side of the driveway. I moved this retainer about 6 inches further out in the yard. We need a little bit more space to walk around the RV when it's parked here. Here comes Blake's sand and gravel with my load of gravel. "15 tons of gravel in this truck." I like the size. Yeah, that's gonna work. That is a lot of gravel. A little spilled over into the street, but that's easy to move off. Now for the fun part, spreading the gravel. Made some good progress on the first day. My back said that's enough for me. Tomorrow I've hired Derek, a 15-year-old neighbor who's new to our community and is looking for stuff to do, to help me spread the gravel. There's plenty of material here to get the job done, and it's easy to move because it was just crushed today and it's very dry. I'm done for the day. Got to take a break. Derek, our neighbor's son, is helping us out. Of course, we're compensating him for his labor. Shoveling gravel isn't the funnest thing to do. Before we drive on it, I need to water down the gravel so the fines will sink in, and then drive up and down the driveway with a Subaru to compact as much as possible. The RV made it up the new graveled driveway, no problem. Hardly any ruts. Perfect. Nice and cool area for Shadow to lay down and take a break. Much friendlier access to the storage compartments. We're no longer rolling down the steep slope of those larger rocks. Our RV's all set up and it looks great in the new driveway.